So here's my question. Think what a remarkable, unduplicatable, and miraculous thing it is to be you. Of all the people who have come and gone on the earth since the beginning of time, not one of them is like you. No one who has ever lived or is to come has had your combination of abilities, talents, appearance, friends, acquaintances, burdens, sorrows, and opportunities. No one's hair grows exactly the way yours does. No one's fingerprints are like yours. No one has the same combination of secret inside jokes and family expressions that you know. The few people who laugh at all the same things you do don't sneeze the way you do. No one prays about exactly the same concerns as you do. No one is loved by the same combination of people that love you. No one before, no one to come. You are absolutely unique. Enjoy that uniqueness. You do not have to pretend in order to seem more like someone else. You weren't meant to be like someone else. You do not have to lie to conceal the parts of you that are not like what you see in anyone else. You are meant to be different. Nowhere ever in all of history will the same things be going on in anyone's mind, soul, and spirit as are going on in yours right now. If you did not exist, there would be a hole in creation, a gap in history, something missing from the plan for humankind. Treasure your uniqueness. It is a gift given only to you. Enjoy it and share it. No one can reach out to others in the same way that you can. No one can speak your words. No one can convey your meanings. No one can comfort with your kind of comfort. No one can bring your kind of understanding to another person. No one can be as cheerfully and lightheartedly and joyously you. No one else can bring the whole unique impact of you to another human being. So the moral of the story is share your uniqueness. Let it be free to flow out among your family and friends and people you meet in the rush and clutter of living wherever you are. That gift of yourself was given you to enjoy and share. Give yourself away, see it, receive it. Let it tickle you. Let it inform you and nudge you and inspire you. You are unique. A while back I read an article written by a young girl about why she liked being her. And so I thought it would be a good idea to write this video to encourage each of us to like ourselves for who we are. Here's the article I mentioned. And here are some of her reasons why she likes being her. I like being me because I'm me. I'm special. No one's like me. I like my brown eyes, how they sparkle when I get excited. I like my long, dark, wavy hair. I like my pale skin and freckles. I like being tall. I like having a little chubby belly. I like my curly toes. I like being me. I am creative. I can draw. I can make up games. I can use my imagination. I am strong. I'm not afraid of many things. I'm not afraid of the dark or of spiders. I'm kind. I try to help people. I like making people laugh. I am smart. I learn things quickly. I'm curious. I always ask lots of questions. I'm funny. People tell me I'm really silly. I'm pretty. I like wearing makeup. I like doing my nails. Here are some more thoughts from her article. She says, I'm kind. I try to help people. I like making people laugh. I'm a good friend. I'm a good daughter, sister, and granddaughter. I like being me. I hope everyone feels the way I feel about myself. Everyone is special in their own way. We should accept ourselves and love ourselves. Even if other people say bad things about us, we should remember that they might be wrong. We should believe in ourselves and our dreams. And then she ends with this statement, this is me being me. And I want to reiterate that although we are all unique individuals with different appearances and feelings, there are still some universal traits that we can all strive for. The young girl writes about being kind, being a good friend, a good daughter, sister, granddaughter, believing in yourself and your dreams. These are not only admirable qualities, but they are also qualities that can make us happy. When we are kind to others, when we are loving towards our family and friends, when we believe in ourselves and our dreams, we feel good about ourselves. As I think about these qualities, I want to add just a few more to the list. I think it's important to be honest, to be fair, to be trustworthy. I think it's important to be compassionate, to forgive, to try to understand. I think it's important to have faith in something bigger than yourself, and I think it's important to be joyful. Now, obviously, no one is perfect. We all fall short sometimes, but I think that striving to be kind, to be loving, honest, fair, trustworthy, compassionate, forgiving, and having faith and finding joy, I think that these things are important and they're essential to a happy life. So when I look at the world today, I see a lot of division. I see people who disagree on important issues. I see people who are angry with each other, and I can't help but wonder if maybe we've forgotten about these important qualities. Maybe we've forgotten to be kind, to be loving, honest, fair, trustworthy, compassionate, forgiving, to have faith and to find joy. I know that we live in a world where it can be easy to compare ourselves to others, to feel like we're not good enough or smart enough or pretty enough. But I hope that we can all remember that we are all human beings. We are all deserving of love and respect, and we are all capable of great things. So next time you're feeling down about yourself, I hope you can remember that you are special. You are unique. You are one of a kind, and this world would be a lesser place without you in it. You are important. You matter, and you deserve to be happy. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and please feel free to leave a comment below. What do you like about yourself? Or if you prefer, you could answer this. What makes you you? I'd love to read your answers. Once again, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you.